I had used QuickBooks before, but the whole thing that kept kind of getting me stuck was the whole invoices. When I created the invoices, it makes different sense on paper than what it really is. So like I was always expensing things out on the invoice. Well, that's not it. So I think there's still a few things that I need to tweak as far as that goes, but so just kind of getting a handle on how that works made a difference. Well, I've been in different stages of this whole QuickBooks, and with our whole group, I've been in the whole, oh my gosh, I have to catch up the whole year and it's November. And so this was maybe the last couple of years for me was I've had enough time to do things from the beginning and I wasn't playing catch up. So for me, I was in a different mindset, and that was really helpful because I wasn't kind of fighting through the fear and the panic stage. So it just helped me clarify a lot of things that I felt I kind of knew, but it just really, that part really helped, where you could see the other people that were trying to play catch up and trying to merge and trying to do different things. And I think like for them, if they were to take the class again, they're going to get something completely new and something completely different. So for me, being caught up, it was good for me to really put that all into place and make sure that it makes sense. And I could rationalize a little bit more because I didn't have that panic and that fear of playing catch up in month 9 of the year. I've actually gone through, and I found you, I think it was probably, I don't even remember if it was Facebook or YouTube, everything kind of intertwines, but I have found a few other videos on YouTube that were so not helpful. And when I found yours, you're so friendly and so down to earth. Obviously you are talking to a real person, but you just make it super easy and super easy to understand. Just the reports were always helpful. I looked at a few different things there, and I searched it a few different ways, and I used the filters a little bit better to make things easier to read, and it helped me navigate. So the quick tips and the things like that, as far as the shortcuts and things, I thought that was really helpful. And there were a bunch of other videos that I found that they had strong accents, and there's just that it's really hard. It's really hard to mentally understand and to try to figure out what they're trying to say, and the others were not as helpful to me. So thank you for that.